Yeah, hi. Okay, begin.
What's up guys, I'm Sai and today I'm visiting a napkin factory. Okay, I'm in China right now and this is our napkin factory. We can come here. What's up everybody, and this is my series where I go around and look at different machinery to see, just to take a look of how things are made and what kind of machinery they are using and what process they are using. I think it's very important for us as consumers as well to know like what is in this product. With the love of machinery, with the love of how it's made, a series like that, think of that. And we're actually going to go around China, looking at different factories, looking at different machineries. Stay tuned. So today we're actually going to do a napkin machine. We're going to see how it's made right from the raw material to the end product. Okay guys, this is only second-hand machinery, so in this video you will see used machinery, but we also sell new machinery as well. So if you're interested guys, just give me a link and I'm gonna take you through the process of what's needed and what the machines do, so you could also have an idea of what's going on. So we have two jumbo rolls, about 300 kilograms each. They follow the rolls here. They get unrolled. This is the embosser. They emboss the paper. They give it a design. And as you see over here, it comes here and it makes the sheets. Okay, it makes the sheets out, and as you can look from it comes out here and it gets packed. This is a fully automatic production line. This is a fully automatic production line. As you can see here, it packs for you. Fully automatic. And then it goes all the way through here and it gets packed. This is a full production line. From everything is automated, guys. Everything is automated. You do need a person to man this the electronics, but for the most part, like, everything is automated. You just need somebody on the end, maybe one or two people for each machine. So the machine does 99% of the things. You just gotta get somebody to actually take the package and go and place it where it should be. And I think in the future maybe we'll have robots doing that too, because yo guys, the other day I saw a damn janitor robot, guys. There'll be no more janitors anymore. It's crazy. That's scaring me. Imagine there's no janitor, there's no somebody cleaning the toilet when you walk in. Huh? The first part of the production is the jumbo roll. So each jumbo roll is about 300 to 500 kilograms, and it comes in all different assortments: 1-ply, 2-ply, recycle, whatever. Okay, you put the jumbo roll on there's kind of a crate for it, a metal crate, and that rolls the jumbo roll. Okay, it unwinds the jumbo roll. And then specifically for napkin producing machines, you have lines of production. So first there's 5-line production, there's 7-line production, and then there's 10-line production. So it's just that more lines give you more production. Okay, and then after the roll gets unwinded, it goes through an embosser if you want a pattern. But these days, I don't know, people just like patterns or whatever. You want to wipe your ass with something that has a pattern versus a plain ass paper. Okay, people prefer this. Okay, I don't know if you want to look at the pattern or whatever, but people want patterns these days. Okay, they want something interesting. It goes through the embosser, gives it a nice pattern, and then it goes on the conveyor belt. It sends it in one line. It goes and it gets cut. Okay, it gets cut into segments, and then that sends it out and it gets packed. Really complicated machinery, guys. It's really crazy, the amount of thought processes that went into this. But the thing is, if we've been honest here, like China, shit, I don't know if it's recording. Did I do this? Okay, I did hit record. China has been producing machinery, paper. China has been producing paper China has been producing paper since a long time, guys. A couple thousand years. I don't know how many thousand years, but it's been a while, okay? So of course they would be the number one guys of paper making machinery. So it goes from the embosser, it gets slitted into sheets, and then it goes on the conveyor belt, and then from the conveyor belt it goes into the cutter. It gets cut up into segments, into the sizes. Of course you can set the size with whatever, with the computer, and then it goes into a packing machine. Okay, for napkins specifically there are two packing machines. There's one to pack the actual napkin itself, and then there's another machine to pack a bunch of napkins together. So most of them, like, they are made to buy in packs because napkins are small, right? So you sell them at whatever, 10 or 15 a pack, and then companies buy them and then they sell them separately. Yeah, guys, that is it for me. Once again, guys, if you're interested in this machinery, please contact me or contact my factory. I'll leave the link in the description, and then we can take it from there, guys. Until next time, see you.